Attention! Standard is attention! Prayer is an act of communication with God. So we start our day by remembering the supreme creator of this universe. So here is a prayer by the teachers of the Bradway College. So join your hands, close your eyes, and get ready for the Gayatri Mantra.
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्.
Now get ready for the morning prayer.
शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. हम चले एक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे, हर बुराई से बच के रहे हम, जितनी नींदे भरी जिंदगी दे. बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना. हम चले एक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना.
So here is a pledge by Bhupal Kishore sir.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders. I shall treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I place my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
We should implement the thought of the day delivered in the assembly in our daily life because it makes positive mindset and build characters. So here is a thought of the day by Archana ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. The thought of the day is, if you plant honesty, you will reap trust. If you plant goodness, you will reap friends. And if you plant humility, you will reap greatness. The meaning of the thought is, even if you become successful in life, you cannot be called great unless you are kind, polite, humble and honest to yourself and towards others. Thank you and have a nice day.
North, East, West, South. That's a full form of news. So here is the news by Smarika ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Today's news headlines are some international news. Today is 14th November 2025 and today's day is celebrated as Children's Day on the occasion of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. He was very fond of children, that is why we celebrate this day as Children's Day. Second news is NIA has taken charge of Delhi's bomb blast. Some international news. Share AI has launched its new AI 5.1, which is more advanced, smarter, and it is more conversational. Now, some Brightway College news. As we all know that students, we are going for picnic on 18th of November. That is why all are requested to submit their picnic fees as soon as possible.
Classes, standardies, attention, standardies, attention. Get ready for the national anthem.
विनायक जय ही भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात